Good morning, channel. Hey, it's Saturday morning, beautiful Saturday morning. Take a quick look here in Pennsylvania. It's beautiful weather, and you know, I'm about to go to a memorial service. A friend of mine, that used to be a neighbor, passed away, and they were big car people, so he's having a little memorial thing where you bring your car and just you know, hang out for a little bit. So I'm going to do that. But you know, I've had this car, I can't believe I've had this car since '94, and I've never done a video on the channel yet about the car. And I really don't know why, because it's just a beautiful vehicle. So here's where we're at. It's a numbers matching all of 67 Pontiac Firebird HO Convertible, numbers matching 326, and it is a factory disc brake car. I did add Wilwoods to the front. I did it, and I changed the wheels out, and of course it is a factory 4-speed car, as I'm sure you saw there. Non-console, power steering, power brakes car. And change the wheels and tires on it at some point to just kind of make it unique, but you know, it's a pretty nice ride. So hey, I wanted to take a moment to show you the car. Also wanted to take a moment to show you the new hats, and just to thank you for subscribing. And I want to give a shout out to Rabid Rabbit has volunteered, if we hit the 150 subscriber mark, to melt those tires on the Rabbit. So, you know, some of you may think it can't do it. Some of you are going to say that would be cool. I personally would like to see him prove it. I think it can do it, but you know, if you spread the word, we can get it to 150 subscribers before fall hits here. We will do a little burnout in the Rabbit. I even said I would buy tires if needed. So anyway, thanks for subscribing. Watch, like, subscribe. Comments are welcome, and again, appreciate your time. Have a great day.